Okay, so thank you so much for that wiring diagram that you guys provided. It was a big help. I was able to get the relay working. I think I traced the issue down to my switch here. Um, so I'm doing this video to kind of show you what's going on, and if you guys have encountered this before and what you guys recommend. Maybe it's a switch, I'm not sure, or maybe I'm missing something else. But okay, so I have main power running in here off of a Ryobi battery that's kind of off camera, sitting right here. Wiring to the fuse box. The fuse box is then connected to these buck converters right here. Okay, so if I turn it around, here's the relay that I'm using. It's upside down, but you get the idea. So with that wiring diagram really helped me out because I was so confused. Now, here's the issue. Here are the two wires that are supposed to connect to the switch. So I plug them in. Alright, turn it around. Now if I power it on by flipping the switch, the relay doesn't engage. It doesn't click down. I mean, you don't hear it engage. But you see power here, so there's power definitely going through. But if I turn anything else on, nothing works. No indicator lights, my buck converters don't turn on. Now if I turn everything off, take the same two wires that are connected to the switch. Okay, I kind of made a jumper cable here for testing. If I force, well, not necessarily force, but just jump the cables, you'll hear the solenoid engage like it's supposed to, which it didn't do before. Try again here. One side. And try again to stay. Okay, you'll hear the engage. Ready? Okay, there it is. Relay engaged. Do it again. Okay, which is something that the switch didn't allow to do. Alright, so now it's engaged. So there should be power going through the circuit. Now, if I hit, obviously the switch isn't going to do anything now because it's not connected. But if I hit my buck converter switches, they work now. But I get a funky readout. I don't know if this is normal or what. You see that? I don't know if I'm not blowing something, or I don't know. It's just not working as I expected it to. Alright, so I think the problem is the switch panel. So my question to you is, what switches do you guys recommend? Obviously, I think it's the panel, so I'm going to replace it just to try, but I just want to know what you guys are using, and if you guys see any glaring issues just by looking it over. Maybe I'm missing something I'm not aware of. Well, this is my panel. I tried to follow the instructions from the Mr. Badley panel, and it does, you know, it has all the features that I'm looking for, and everything's pretty much wired up according to spec as far as I know, but I can't really test things if I'm not getting proper power. So this is kind of step one to try and get this working. So I'll figure out the other bugs later, but I at least need to get power to the buck converters to test other stuff. So if you can, let me know. Thanks.